Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video I'll be doing a slick ponytail using braiding. I'm firstly going to start off by sectioning out a piece of hair in the front section of my hair. Now I will section out a piece of hair from the section of hair. Thereafter, I will braid that piece of hair and then I will do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm now going to divide the middle section of hair into 4 parts, and then I will connect the first 2 sections to the back sections. I will now detangle my hair. Thereafter, I will put it into a ponytail. Now I'm going to apply some Vita molding gel to slick down my hair, and then I will make a ponytail. I braided a piece of braiding hair into 5 braids, and then I poured some conditioner over it and let it soak in hot water. Thereafter, I let it air dry. I did my edges off camera. Let me know down below in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on how I do my edges. After this, applying the ponytail, I will take a piece of braiding hair and wrap it around the ponytail, so just that it can have a nice finish. And here is the final look. It came out so cute. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.